Hello, my name is Joe Hopkins. I'm a CPA based here in Corpus Christi, Texas. I do quite a bit of my work all over Texas, but even a fair even amount across the United States. I have a tax team of professionals and support with former IRS attorneys, tax attorneys, other CPAs. Today I just want to tell you a story about one of my clients that's rancher based here in Texas, and the rancher unfortunately or fortunately had an oil pipeline company quote them a price to cut across their land at the pipeline and paid them approximately $300,000 round numbers for, tearing up their land a little bit and the right-of-way access through there as a permanent easement. My client, unfortunately, their prior CPA passed away just before their tax deadline a few years ago, and they scrambled at the last minute to do the tax return themselves, claimed a lot of expenses relating to the land, the reconstruction, and some other rental income. Long story short, a revenue officer got involved and audited the account. What came about was the auditor was kind of smelling blood in the water, so to speak, with these erroneous expenses that she thought was at play here. Come to find out, what we did was we took on this long journey because it went through an audit appeal process, and we put together a 3-ring binder detailing all of the individual expenses in each category relating to the ranch itself with, separated dividers. At the end of the day, the original assessment was approximately $189,000 with assessments and penalties that had accrued. The underreporting penalty, they taxed on an extra 25% for that. So we had an uphill battle going into this. At the end of the day, it took a period of time, took upwards of a year or so to get this all completed. The IRS is slow in their methodical process of their audit reviews, but nevertheless, we were diligent at fighting this battle and saw it all the way through to the end. Long story short, the client only owed $12,000, and we saved them, $170,000 or so along the way. So needless to say, the client was extremely ecstatic with our services, gave us great grand reviews, and all we did was just tell her side of the story. We had to do some work to dig up some of the art, related receipts along the way and explain why the penalties should be removed. And that took a little due diligence and some research on our end, but nevertheless we were successful in doing so. So if we can do something similar for you, there's all sorts of different cases that we deal with, whether it's business, personal, payroll taxes, you name it, audits. Come see us at Hopkins CPA Firm, and we're going to have a phone number on the link here for you to click on and get in touch with us. So, or you can reach us at hopkinscpa.tax on our website. Thank you very much, and look forward to helping you. Bye-bye.